What's up, guys? Dancoop69 in the house. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. It's an exciting day today, April the 15th, 2020. Today's my best friend's birthday, and because of this COVID-19 thing, we're not able to see each other, social distancing. I can't not get him anything. So he loves to drink this thing called Balvenie number 15. So I'm gonna head out to the liquor store and pick him up a bottle for his birthday. And today we're gonna take eeny, meeny, miny, mo. What are we doing? I think I'm gonna go with the R1250 GS HP with the boxer engine. And the reason for that is I just really don't want to carry a backpack. I'm gonna get him a bottle. I'm gonna throw it in here, one of these panniers, and we're gonna go for a ride to visit him. He lives out in Manalapan, New Jersey. All right, so for now, the S1000RR is going to get a little bit of a rest. Now, the cool thing is he's actually getting a brand new S1000RR as well. So we're going to be twinning pretty soon. Twin S1000RRs, and he's got it with the carbon fiber package straight from the factory. It's a new package. Not a lot of you guys have it. So it's going to be cool to take a look at his bike. Hopefully he'll call me on FaceTime or something like that, and I'll be able to show you that bike as well. So stay tuned. He also has the full Akrapovic GP exhaust fitted on it. Should be a fun. So stick with me for this video, and let's head out to the liquor store. Let's get him that bottle. Let's do a personal delivery. We're going to keep 6 feet away from him, and we're going to drop that off. Now, in addition, I also got him as a surprise birthday gift. Hopefully he loves it. I hope you love it, bro. I got him the same tall windscreen like I got right here. This is straight out of the M Parts catalog. I was actually talking earlier with him today, and he's like, yeah, I want to get a tall windscreen. And he was going to get it from a non-BMW source. And I was like, yo, just get the original M part. And then ding ding, light bulb. And I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna order it for you for your birthday. So today you get a bottle, and tomorrow you get the windscreen. All right, hope you love it, bro. All right, anyways, come on, guys, follow me on this journey. Let's do this. Let's go. All right, we're all set to get going. All right, of course I gotta put that in there because, you know, once I take the helmet off, I don't want to have helmet hair. I want to look good, so that's the purpose of the hat. And obviously COVID-19, baby, very important. I got one of these bad boys, N95 by a company called 3M. All right, so let's do this, boys and girls. Let's go. Liquor store, and then next stop is Jersey. Drop it off. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we are. That's our local liquor store here in Staten Island, New York. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that bottle. That's step number 2, and step number 3, get back on the high horse, which today is the 2020 R1250 GS, and go down to Manalapan, New Jersey. So let's do this. Let's go buy this bottle. All right, here we go. So that's the Balvenie number 15, and that one's for my wife. So here we go. We're about to deliver this bad boy. All right, we got the bottle. Here it is. There's the store. Yeah, let's throw it in the trunk. All right, there we go. Let's get ready. Let's hit the road. Let's do this. So we're driving in Manalapan, New Jersey at this point. We're about to turn into Ilya's block. So it's beautiful over here. I love it. It's like the suburbs. Look at these winding roads. Very nice. It's very storybook-like. And it's just such a nice feeling riding on these roads. Anyway, this is his street, and his house is on the left-hand side. Here we are. I'm about to pull into his driveway and drop off the birthday gift number 1. Stay tuned for birthday gift number 2 for tomorrow. Thank you.
It's hitting its highest level in a year. JP Morgan raising shares from...
All right, guys, here we are. There's my friend's crib. There's the R1250 GS. Did the job amazing. It was an awesome ride out here. All right, guys, what's up? We're finally here in Manalapan, New Jersey. It's freaking awesome. This is the suburbs. How sick is this? Real nice over here. Anyway, let's do the job we came for. Get the Balvenie. Hope he enjoys it. We actually have a Zoom party later today, so I'm just gonna walk over to the garage door and I'm gonna drop it off. Hopefully he won't see me. Off we go. Social distancing. I wish I could meet up, say hello, what's up, but unfortunately, not allowed to do that these days. So let's get going. Love the plate. I don't know if it fits the bike, if it fits my demeanor, but it is what it is. Alright guys, thanks for sticking with me for the trip. Let's head back to Staten Island. We got another 45-50 minutes back. Let's do this.
Coronavirus crisis, we know that there are many rural areas desperate for any kind of help, and sometimes they're hard to reach. Zipline co-founder and CEO Keller
At the stop sign, turn left onto Stevens Lane.
Keller, I have wanted you on this show for so long, and now becomes the perfect time because you are pushing to get approval from the FAA to do what you do. Before we get to that issue, tell us, how does Zipline...
In 2009,
Alright, so now we're riding back from Manalapan, New Jersey to Staten Island, New York. And as I have previously stated, Staten Island, New York is basically one bridge away from New Jersey. We're very close. In any case, just look at these roads. Just amazing. Look at the brook on the right hand side. And I just love these, historical type of towns with these historical type of buildings and so on. So anyways, right now we're riding back to Staten Island from New Jersey. And even though we're going to Staten Island, New York, it's the suburbia of the New York, the 5 boroughs I may have previously mentioned. New York City is made up of 5 boroughs, and Staten Island is one of them. All right, guys, so we're back home from that trip.